Hey, babe. So funny thing is, we need to pay the rent, and I haven't really paid. I hadn't paid it, and so I was thinking
Oh, you ain't got to worry about the rent. Already handled it.
you already handled the rent.
Yeah, I went down to the office, paid rent for the next 2 months, so we good.
You paid the rent up for 2 months, right?
Now we ain't got to worry about it. You feel me?
Oh, wow. Okay. Wanted to go get my nails and toes done, and I know you told me you would give me the money for that today. So
Baby, I already gave it to you.
you didn't give me the money,
Check your shirt.
baby.
You're fresh from the bank.
Um, I didn't really feel like cooking today, so I figured we could kind of just order in.
You ain't got to worry about cooking. I already made reservations at the restaurant.
You
Baby, you okay?
wait. You did what now? You made plans?
Yeah, I made plans. I made reservations at this Italian spot. That's cool, right?
Cool. It's real cool.
Perfect.
Is there anything that I can do for you? Because you've done so much.
All you got to do is keep being amazing. Keep being you.
Just keep being me.